Managing a diverse asset portfolio poses compliance, reporting, and logistical challenges. CGI's Sunflower Asset Management Solutions support the full asset lifecycle while enabling accountability and mission success. Sunflower is trusted by over 75 U.S. federal, commercial, and research organizations, tens of thousands of users, tracking over 4 million assets. Let's explore how Sunflower manages the asset lifecycle. Automatically capture transaction history for a lifecycle audit trail. Maintain accurate financial reporting by integrating with accounting and purchasing systems. Configure the software to your business processes, reducing the impact of change management. Make physical inventory more efficient with barcode scanners, RFID readers, and additional automation features. Monitor inventory progress and accuracy with intuitive dashboards and reports. Manage preventative and emergency maintenance processes. View maintenance costs, completion time, and other performance metrics. Securely manage parts inventory in warehouses and stock rooms. Coordinate shipment and logistics processes using desktop or mobile devices. Manage parent-child relationships and asset configuration details. Track kits of equipment and materials for operational readiness and rapid deployment. Efficiently manage excess screening, redeployment, and disposal. Manage the real property portfolio, including leases, space utilization, utilities, and maintenance. Comply with contractual requirements for U.S. government-furnished property. CGI provides complete Sunflower implementation and support services. Sunflower can be deployed on-premise or in a secure FedRAMP cloud. Our team includes certified asset management experts that provide software deployment, training, and ongoing support services. CGI offers powerful tools to improve efficiency while maintaining compliance, auditability, and operational readiness. Contact us today to learn more about how Sunflower Asset Management Solutions can drive your organization's success.